Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a tool that will help you to create an inspiring Instagram feed, stay organized, showcase your visual style, achieve cohesive aesthetic, and stay consistent with publications, and also save planning process time, in this video I will explain you how you can easily do that by using a free tool. If you are new here, my name is Arina, I am the designer behind the Voy Design studio. I personally tried a lot of Instagram feed planners, and so far I decided that Canva is the best option for me. Instagram in general continues to be a powerful tool for visual storytelling, marketing and branding, and one key element that sets successful Instagram account apart is a carefully curated, interesting and cohesive feed. If you have been wondering how to plan your feed seamlessly, you're in the right place. In this video I will guide you through the process using Canva and even provide you with a free Instagram planner template to get you started. You can find a link to the template in the video description below. Maybe you have a question why you need to plan your Instagram feed. So before we dive into the how-to, let's briefly touch on the why. A well-planned Instagram feed not only enhances the overall aesthetic of your profile, but also creates a more engaging and memorable experience for your followers. A visually cohesive feed can help you establish your brand identity and leave an impression on your audience. But how you can create an aesthetic, branded, cohesive Instagram feed? First of all, you need to define your aesthetic. It's the first step in planning your feed. You need to consider the mood, the color scheme, and just overall vibe you want your profile to convey. Are you going to have a bright and colorful look, or a moody, dramatic feel, or something in between, or something very modern, minimalistic? If you are a brand, knowing your aesthetic, having a clear brand book with guidelines will help you to have a content creation more smooth and ensure a harmonious look. You can search for different accounts for inspiration. For example, if you are a skincare brand owner, you can look for inspiration not only in competitor accounts, but in the niches that are close to you, like not only cosmetics, but also wellness, self-care, e-commerce brands, etc. The next step would be to gather your content. Now that you have a clear vision on your aesthetic, it's time to prepare your content. This includes photos, graphics, videos, any other visual elements that you want to feature on your social media. You need to keep in mind that the best way to go is to pick up the diverse content, which will look good in combination and will complement each other. So for example, if you have a brand, you not only need to showcase your product images, but also combine them with lifestyle photos. Or for example, wide angles and close-ups and landscape photos and portraits will look really good together in combination. Here you can see an example of the feed with the same type of content, which already doesn't look so aesthetic and engaging. So always try to mix your feed with people photos, product photos if you have a product to sell, lifestyle photos, inspiring graphics, etc. When you complete these two steps, you need to create a Canva account, or if you already have one, you just need to log in to your existing one. If you are new to Canva, it's a user-friendly design tool that offers a variety of different templates and customization options. There are free templates, which are more basic ones, and a lot of people are using them. And also there are other paid templates. I personally make high-quality Instagram template packs, which you can check out on my website, the Voy Shop. Also, as I already said, I prepared a free Instagram planner template for you. So you just need to download it. You need to open the free template that I prepared for you. And now you just can start arranging your content in a grid format. This will give you a visual representation of how your feed will look like once the posts are live. Now you need to experiment with different layouts until you find the one that aligns with your aesthetic and tells a cohesive story. I usually use the checkboard technique, but there are a lot of different ways how you can plan your feed, but for this I think I can make a different video. Please write in the comments below if you would be interested in this kind of video, and I will definitely film it. I also have another video where I explain the aesthetic feed tips. Check this out for more details and inspiration. Step 6 is about editing and enhancing your images. Canva offers a range of editing tools to enhance your images and ensure that they flow seamlessly within your feed. That's also what I like about it. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast and saturation as needed. And here I use photos only for representation, and then during the posting I repeat all the adjustments I make here. Step 7 is about scheduling. Once you are satisfied with your planned feed, you just need to schedule your posts. You can do it directly on Instagram, or you can do it by using tools like Later, for example, or other alternatives. This allows you to maintain a consistent posting schedule without the hassle of manual uploads. Planning your Instagram feed on Canva is a creative and strategic process that can elevate your online presence. By defining your aesthetic, gathering diverse content, and using my free Instagram planner template, you will be well on your way to creating a visually stunning and cohesive Instagram feed. I really wish you to craft a beautiful aesthetic feed. If you need help with it, if you want to work with me, please just contact me on my email. I also offer other creative services such as web design, brand identity design, and social media design. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more creative inspiration, and also you can check out my creative blog and already, as I mentioned, my creative shop. Write in the comments below if this video was helpful and useful in any way, and also what kind of videos you would like me to film next. Always stay inspired. See you in the next video.